In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HY300 to HDMI. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a standard HDMI cable, you will be able to connect your HY300 projector to any device, so a PC, a laptop, or even a smartphone or tablet as long as you have the proper adapter. So it has full support for HDMI devices. It's as simple as grabbing an HDMI cable and then plugging one end into the HDMI port of your HY300, and the other one is going to go into the device of your choice, so a PC, a laptop, a smartphone with an adapter. And as long as you switch the input to HDMI, so on your HY300, you should have the option to switch inputs with one of the options on the menu being HDMI, you will be good to go. Anything that is on the screen of the device that you connect it with will be mirrored over. So like I said before, all that you have to do is locate an HDMI port. If you are using a laptop, it might have one on the side, like this one. And for most desktop PCs, you will connect it on your graphics card HDMI port. If you don't see one here where the graphics card could be, then just plug it in at the top, usually on the motherboard. So check the motherboard for an HDMI port or primarily the graphics card. And if your laptop doesn't have an HDMI port, like a smartphone or a tablet for example, then you will need an adapter. Usually this is going to be a USB-A or USB-C to HDMI adapter. Then you will plug the HDMI cable into the port available in the adapter, and then the other end goes into the HY300. Like I said before, this should immediately switch the input to HDMI, but if it doesn't, you can choose it from the home screen. And this will allow you to connect your HY300 projector to HDMI. Before I end this video, I want to highlight that according to the channel subscriptions, 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you're going to help us from the channel bring you the highest quality solutions to your problems, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.